Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was actually just editing all of this vlog. I've already filmed it and everything. But I was just editing it and I realized like this is probably the most random off the wall vlog I've ever put up, and I kind of debated even posting it because it's just random stuff, but it's kind of like there's some footage from like our gender reveal and like different things like that, and it's kind of all over the place, but I have been pretty sick with this pregnancy. I'm feeling way better now, so that's great, but it's kind of hard for me to film when I'm so sick and not feeling good. So that's why the footage is so spread out and there's not a lot of it. But I wanted to go ahead and put it up anyways because there is some, I mean, like I said, from our gender reveal and like Austin's birthday and different things like that. So if you are here, I appreciate you. And if you hang around to the end, I appreciate you. But yeah, let's just jump right into the vlog. Hey guys! So today is our gender reveal party and I'm waiting on everybody to get here right now, and I'm so antsy. I just cannot wait for everybody to know. This has been such a hard thing for me to hold on to. Like I've told people before, I will keep somebody else's secrets until I go to the grave, but my own, especially something like this, I can't keep a secret. It's just, oh my gosh, it's driving me up the wall. And so anyways, by the time this is posted, everybody will know anyways, but it's a boy, and his name's gonna be Mason, and I'm so obsessed with that, and I cannot wait for everybody to know. Like, I'm so antsy for everybody to get here. Like, I'm sure you can tell, I'm just like, oh, like I just am dying for everybody to know. I have accidentally told a few people, and it's just so hard because I've been holding on to this secret for weeks and weeks and weeks. My sneak peek results that I talked about in my previous video, they were right. They said that I was gonna have a boy, and I had my ultrasound and it confirmed it. So I just cannot wait for everybody to know. Cannot wait. Hey guys, so it's been a minute since I've got anything on video, just because I've been super sick. I haven't been feeling very good the past few weeks, so I haven't really felt like vlogging anything, so I haven't. But today, I actually just got done with my appointment. We checked on little man today. He's all good. I didn't get to see him today, but I got to hear his heartbeat and everything, and they said everything looks good. I had some blood work done, so that was fun. It hurt really bad. Let's see, I go back in 4 weeks for an ultrasound, so I'll get to see him again finally, see how much he's grown. I'm so excited. So I think that'll be my anatomy scan, so that'll be a longer appointment. But anyways, I get to see him and I can't wait. I cannot wait to see him again. He's gonna be so big. Okay, so I just left the Dollar Tree and I had to get some stuff, like some little storage bins and stuff like that for my lash room. And I just meandered over to the candy section. And does anybody remember those, like, oh gosh, I haven't had them since I was a kid, but they were like these like strawberries and cream, like hard candy. I can't think of who made them. There were other flavors, but the strawberry was like one of the most popular ones. I'll put up a picture of it if I can find it. But I got these that look kind of like they would, well, the sun would look like them. I don't know, but I'm gonna try one and see if it does good. And if it is, oh man. I loved those things. I haven't had one in forever. They look like them. They taste just like them. This bag comes with blackberry, peach, and strawberry. I tried the strawberry one. Oh my god. so good. I'm so excited. So today I just got off work and I just came home to do some cleaning. This house was a disaster. So if you can hear the dishwasher going, it's in the background, sorry about that. But I just cleaned the kitchen and I sat down to do my calendar. I am such an old person and I have to have everything written down on a calendar. So I sit down once a month and I do this, and I just put my lash appointments on here and everything else I've got going on, because y'all, pregnancy brain is such a real thing. I was not good at remembering things before, but now it's like I don't ever know what's going on. So my calendar makes me sane. But anyways, today's Austin's birthday, and so he requested chicken fingers. I asked him, was like, if you can hear those little bells, that's the cat's fighting. But anyways, he requested chicken fingers. I asked him what he might want me to cook him now that I can cook food without, you know, throwing up. But anyways, I asked him I would cook him anything, and he was like, oh, you can make me some chicken fingers in the air fryer. And I was like, okay. So I'm gonna make him some chicken fingers, which I do. I make them homemade. They are really good, but of all things that he could have on his birthday, he wanted chicken fingers and tater tots. So I was like, all right, that's easy enough. So I am going to make him that later. I'll show you guys how I do that, because oh my gosh, I found the recipe on Pinterest and they're very good. They're like to die for. And I use panko breadcrumbs to make myself feel a little bit better. I mean, they're not really healthy, I don't guess, but they're not that bad because they're air fried. But anyways, I air fry everything. But anyways, that is what I'm doing right now. I'm about to fill out my April calendar, get all that organized, and then I've got to clean the rest of the house. So let's get to that. Well, you can really see how terrible my skin is right now in this light, but I just wanted to interrupt the cleaning real quick to tell you a story about, actually, nope, not that cat, but the other cat. She's an actual demon. Let me just tell you what she did. This is what reminded me. I found this, a whole roll of toilet paper, shredded. So this morning, I get up and I go into the kitchen and I was about to leave, and I noticed that my freezer was wide open and there was water all in the floor and everything inside of it had defrosted. So it had been open for a while, and so I got to looking, and there was little pieces of black cat hair in the freezer, and she had tore open a whole pack of, not that it would matter because it was already ruined anyways, but she had torn open a whole pack of chicken and she ate it. And I'm just like, how did she know, first of all, that there was food in there for her to get to? And second of all, how did she get in there? Look, let me just show you. Sorry, Izzy, I'm sorry, I just stepped on her. Let me just show you my freezer. Okay, I have one of the freezers that's on the top. So she would have had to crawl up there and then up there and push it open, or that bin was right there. So she would have had to stand there and lean over and pull it open and just jump in. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, like, first of all, I'm so mad because everything in the freezer is ruined. And second of all, how is she that smart? How? If anyone wants a little black cat, you can have her, because oh my God, I can't stand her right now. I can't stand her. So I'm about to get started on Austin's chicken fingers, and I was just going to show you what I use to make them. Of course, I'll put like the exact measurements and all that down in the description box, and I'll list everything, but like what to cook them on and everything in the air fryer. But all you need is panko breadcrumbs or regular breadcrumbs, but I always use panko breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, and ground coriander, herbs de Provence, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that, paprika, salt, and of course your chicken. And I just get the chicken tenders so I don't have to cut anything, because I do not like to touch the raw chicken, it's gross. And then of course you'll need like flour and the egg whites to dredge everything in before you throw it in the air fryer. But anyways, I'm about to make those, and yeah, I will show you the finished result. This is what they look like all done. Are you happy, birthday boy?
Yes.
I would just like you all to know that I have made up with Rue. She's laying here beside me actually right now. So she's no longer for sale. She's like, what are you doing? She's no longer for sale. I do still love her, but she just made me really mad when she broke into the freezer and took everything out of it. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.